100% sure that none of us have said anything that is as closely that is anywhere, no, that is even remotely close to how alarming and concerning the statements of the VP, no, have been. Again, these are we saw the progression in her attacks from the attacks against the prosecution. Now it's attack against the integrity of these proceedings itself. That is very, very dangerous. No? Why? Dahil meron tong intention, meron itong possibility or potential, no, na mapaniwala ang mga tao na hindi dapat mapagkatiwalaan itong proceedings na to at kung anumang paghusga na gagawin ng ibibigay, no, ng mga senator judges, lalo na kung ito ay maging hindi paborable sa kanya. This could be brushed aside by people who believe her and rejected by the people, thinking kasi nga marred by irregularities, no, dahil daw napakadami daw bending daw na nangyayari dito. So tama, no, na dapat yung mga bagay na yung pagtuunan din ng pansin.